Wagwan! People, this is Silk Reacts. You understand the best Reacts channel right now into the world. You better believe. Yes, people, we are here again. We are back again, people, in front of the line right now to let you know what is going on into the world. I get these fresh haircuts, bro, sharper than before. By ear designed by Lex. Go over on her Instagram right now, guys, and leave a support, as in to follow her. You understand? And leave a DM. Hey, where can I get this fresh? You know, bam. She will give you all the information. Okay? Yes. Y'all know what to do again. Y'all know what to do. Y'all don't play with me now. People, leave a subscribe. You understand? Thank you very much for the subscribe. Thank you very much for supporting me, people. I respect every one of my followers, all the taggers, all the likers right now. Okay? Yes. People, you almost know who I am. I'm Silk. You understand? Yes, people. And this guy right here on the screen, you're seeing freestyling, Big Mama. His name is Dababy. Yo, a lot of people not recognizing this guy, bro. Y'all need to recognize Dababy. His freestyle never miss. Never miss, youth. Yo, y'all have to hear this right now, people. We need to get right into it, people. Follow me on Instagram right now, people. Don't miss right now, okay?
Took some time, I got my shit straight. All alone, I got a big drink. Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's
Shout
do
out
it.
Lotto
Let's
too.
go.
You know what I'm saying? It's a perfect beat for me to demonstrate
Big
on.
Mama
You doing your
freestyle by
motherfucking thing,
Dababy.
Yeah. Took some time and got my shit straight. All alone, but got a big Drake. 14 songs on the 27th. How the fuck is this a mixtape? I've been trying to vibe to these other rappers' music, baby, but I just can't. I appreciate the ones who held it down for me, fuck the other ones who didn't wait. You know.
Bam. That's the point, bro. That's the point, bro. That's a fact right there.
I drop my nuts, I never pick them up, I drag them across a bitch face. Now them niggas gotta see me now. Used to wonder why that nigga always looking funny every time he see me out. Caught his girlfriend watching baby on the TV, tried to throw the TV out. I guess buddy got an anger problem. He found out that I've been thinking about you. He must not know that you been hanging around me. You sweet as syrup, call your ancient mama. I'ma pay the black truck to take you and your girls home so you can take the bottle. Drink that shit until it's over with. I just told the driver, call me when you in the house safe because I know it's lit. Asking me, am I gonna be there later? Baby girl, I see you later.
Hey, one thing with Dababy, bro, he always vibing whenever he is freestyling. Whenever he's in car or outside, you understand, he just have his drink. You understand, he's just vibing, bro. It's just a vibe, bro, with Dababy, bro. Y'all need to check out these freestyle with Dababy, bro. Right now, bro, no cap.
Thought I want them other niggas. The ones before you fuck, you need some paper. Any nigga speak on baby when he ain't around, tell that nigga he's a hater. Make that bitch ass nigga understand it. Write it down, go get a sheet of paper.
Any guy not speaking about Silk Reaction by telling all people to subscribe to this channel, you is a hater, bro. You understand? You hear what Dababy said? You overstand it? Bro.
Jonathan is such a handsome nigga. He got manners when he speak to ladies. I don't see how we can even hate him. A man ain't working, say she need the baby. You been standing on the business, staying in the house. You told your mama keep the babies. Yeah, them ladies stepping out tonight. Fuck around and let me pop tonight. Fuck around and you get shot tonight. I'ma leave this bitch sitting right here. Fuck it, might not even park it right. Ain't the type to go and hide.
Get faster, bro. So it is a yo.
Like the cook, the nigga tried to start the fight. I can see it in your eyes, in the way you looking, nigga. I ain't brought a knife, but you know I brought the banger with me. Pray to God, told him show me the ones who wait for me. Not nobody hanging with me, clutching hard, and you know I got more than one on me. They gon' need the Navy with me. It's the Sunday, got the fully with me. Give a fuck about how a bully looking. I'm the type to turn the bully pussy, even if he thought he could've with me. Put belt to the ass, the stats been padded, go check on the math. Ain't finna pop it by my old achievements. The end of the month, I'm getting back on your ass. Look at you crazy and pull out my gun. Why the fuck would you come here and ask for a pass? I ain't get my permission since I back in school, and I really ain't out because I got the tool. Bounty niggas. I ain't even drop my nuts on these niggas. I was trying to be cool. Talk to my brother in heaven like the first time I robbed me a nigga. I was trying to be you. She trying to keep the shit bougie. Won't let me fuck first night. Baby girl trying to be cute. She tried to fuck on the next night. I played the bougie. I look like I'm sorry. Who you? I don't think we been acquainted. I'm the one.
Like I'm sorry. Who you?
All this bitch and they hate it. Ain't have to fuck with them niggas to make it. Knowing what's up with me, nigga, quit playing. Somebody go find that nigga big tigger. This that rap seat in the motherfucking basement. This that go ahead, nigga, go with your move. You gon' see that man laying right there on the pavement. Nigga, you know what I know if you know what I seen. Niggas ain't like that, you know what I mean. These niggas hoes, I'm still fighting cases. Them people got open from 2019. Standing on business. My nephew look at me like uncle. Them kids ain't got motion like me. I'm telling him that he better not force you to struggle. You watch me do anything, watch how I hustle. You watch me do anything, watch how I love you and all of your cousins. Look at what matter. All of that other little shit, it look cool, but that shit ain't about nothing. This for your daddy. You already know your little brother a fool. I'ma show him what's happening. Dropping the mixtape the end of the month. Should've made it an album. I'm back on their asses, nigga.
Hey, this guy's tough, bro. Like he's not capping. Like he is singing like everything what is happening all around him. You know, like that happened, he sing about it. That happened, he sing about it. You understand? Like his music is not a cap. Like y'all need to hear Dababy freestyle, bro. You understand? Like this freestyle, Big Mama, is really big, bro. You understand? It is epic, guys. Subscribe right now to Silk Reacts channel. Thank you very much. Hey, I wait to finish. It finished?
Telling you, nigga.
Tell you, nigga. I tell you, bro. Subscribe right now, bro. Hey, people, y'all reached the end of this video right now. This is Silk Reacts. Thank you very much for your support, guys. Thank you very much for the love. I respect all of my people. You understand, bro? Yes, we're letting everyone know what is going on into the world, bro. That is going on into the world. So y'all check out Dababy. Alright? Yes, right now. People, I'm out.